Hello YouTube. I'm doing a video on my invert mini. It's nice, I like it a lot. 12-inch barrel, clamping feed neck, nice grips, nice and blue. I love blue, it's a nice color. Oh yeah, this is my invert mini, and the barrel's really nice. I like the barrel, cool design. Little indents right there, looks pretty cool. Personal preference, so you guys might not like it. Nice and shiny. Guys can see, I can see. I got hat pods, or Empire. I got them at my local paintball store. I'm not sure what type of balls they are. Oh, they're not that good. I usually get All-Star. But they said they shoot red, they break red, so that's why I got them. Because I like red. It's cool color. This is my first gun. Kind of sucks. It's not that good. Shoots slow. But the only thing good about it, the better thing about this than the mini, is that you can pick your your things like 3-shot burst, 3-shot burst, semi-auto, 6-shot burst. It's really cool, and you can pick how fast your bullets are. Too. It goes 13 to 6. Oh, I got Empire Prophecy. Nice hopper. The things get stuck in this part right here, like the very tip, like balls. Well, they don't get stuck, like if you're running out. So yeah, it saves them. So that's how like it holds like 20 balls. Then you go tip it back like that. Then all the balls go. Okay. Then this thing spins. It's sound activated. It's really cool. Oh, damn it, didn't spin. Spin that time. Well, yeah, it's a nice hopper. I like it. Well, of course, the things are a lot. The bullets when you shoot your guns a lot louder, so it works better. What came with my invert mini was toolbox. Came with this right here is grease, the tools, spare screws, spare O-rings, and I'm not sure what that is. Came with a manual, small manual. Oh, there. Oh, cool camouflage right here. Well, yep. This was my first gun. I plan on upgrading to an Equal 10. Some of you may ask how it looks like a clamping feed neck. It's not homemade. Well, yeah. I didn't do a video on how it's homemade. It's my secret. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. Break part of your hopper, just the neck. Make like you know how there's like a crack where it connects. I accidentally broke mine, and then I put it on and then I put it on. Then my dad gave me a clamper. Then it's like right here. Then I duct tape it over because it's really sharp. Yeah. Really like this. Nice Empire. My pack. It's really nice. I like it. Well, thanks YouTube. Please rate and subscribe. Subscribe and comment, or whatever you call it. Thumbs up or thumbs down too. Thanks.